Hey guys, it's Asheli from Not a True Reviews, and today I'm unboxing War Panty Power. This is a double box because it's an underwear, like a panty subscription, and an organic tampon slash pad feminine care product subscription. So they send two pairs. I've done this box quite a few times. If you've watched my channel enough, you know that you've seen my reviews, my unboxing slash reviews. 2 pairs of underwear, 14 total tampons or pads. You pick if you want to mix or match. You do also get to choose between like thongs or just bikinis, stuff like that, your style of underwear, which is really nice. And then they do send 3 to 6 lifestyle items and 1 to 3 sweets. So usually the lifestyle items are like beauty items, and it's all like really, I love it. I just love, these boxes are really cool, and I love how it's like evolving. The box has gotten more beautiful over time. The items have gotten just, and each box, they're cruelty free. Every box has a $60 value, and they're just $25.20. It's an amazing subscription. So here is and here's our card. And this is, obviously, it has everything on it that we're receiving, but we're not gonna pick. This is the June box. And I always say, like, surprise me with tampons or pads, or give me, like, a split, so you guys can see what they offer. So I do think they use Natural Care for the organic, I can't see. I'm pretty sure. And they're always like tied up in ribbon. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then for our pads, they're also tied up in ribbon. There's 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So maybe I missed one in here. I'm sure I did. All right, so there's that. Pads and tampons, girls. Need those. And here's our undies. Are you ready? I'm ready. Ooh, I love this color. It's orange. How pretty. These are Jennifer Intimates. Look at the color. Oh, girl, those are beauteous. I love orange. You guys know that, though. And these are, like, super lacy and just feminine. Oh, homie, what are you doing? No. What are you? She's, like, trying to eat the tampons and pads. No. Girl, I gave you bubble wrap. This is for you. Go get it. No. All right. No, homie, what are you doing? How do I say? These are also from Jennifer Intimates. These are more of that like poly wicking material, the bright blue. I love the 2 colors together. They look so beautiful in that bag. So cool. No, don't even think about it. I see what you're looking at. I'm like, you want to tag. Girl. All right. So our lifestyle items. This is, ooh, Sierra Nicole, a line for monthly breakouts face mask. This has, oh man, Fuller's Earth Clay, Moroccan Red Clay, Honey Powder, Amica, Red Clover, Sage, Licorice Root, and Lavender. So this is an all-natural face mask. These are great, and it comes in like a spice container. Isn't that neat? Ah, so cool. All right, then we have some delicious and fresh baked pie snack. So this is like, it feels like it's gonna be like one of those, look at her. Look at her. Get your butt out of here. Little, oh, that's not the right one. Little pie, like a little granola bar, I want to say almost. And then this is Vienna coffee. Oh, are these those little sticks? I think that's what this is. Ouch, you are scratching me and I don't like it. That's enough. So there's that. It's funny because my cat is like 11, so she's not like super feisty. All of a sudden, I'm in a video and you gotta be. So this is, ooh, what is this? This is from Naturally Pure. It says called Krabby Pants. Oh, I guess this is for, oh, I think this is for like cramping. It says apply to lower belly and massage in. It has jojoba oil, lavender oil, ylang ylang oil, clary sage oil, jasmine. Ooh, jasmine. I love jasmine. It smells really good. It has like an earthy smell. I'm excited to see how that's used. And then finally, our final item is Entyze, I think E-N-T-Y-Z-E, Cucumber Martini Eye Serum. Using gentle pressure, roll under each eye, inner outer corner to outer corner twice. Use your finger to smooth any excess until completely absorbed. How cool is that? I've never seen anything like that. Ooh, It really smells like cucumber. So it's like, remember like those, when back in the day, people would put like cucumbers in their eyes to like freshen it up. That's what this is. Isn't that neat? And it smells, oh my gosh, just like cucumber. Now I have to put this oil somewhere. You stinkeroni. I just wiped it on my legs. I'm a mom. I'm used to doing weird stuff like that. Anyway, I gotta wipe something off. Wipe it under the bottom of my shirt. It's so gross. All right. Anyway, so let's look at our card. All right. They actually do give the prices, which is nice. So that, this is cool. There were different variations. And they actually check off what we received, okay? And then there's other ones. Like, you could have gotten a soy candle, a liquid highlighter, a nail shiner, a lip balm. So we got the Krabby Pants cramp remover. That's $18. The face mask is $20. And then the surprise gift, which was the, what is that? Where is it? The eye thing is valued anywhere from $11 to $19. So that's what we got. Ooh, good, cool. What does it say for? God could not be everywhere, and therefore he made mothers. Read your kid. Isn't that funny? I just said that about like being a mom and wiping like dirty Cheerios off on your sleeves. So that's everything that I received in my Rose War Panty Power box. If you're interested in checking them out, I will link to them below. I will also link to my full review if you're interested in that. This cat is like determined to have this box and get this stuff. Get out of here, dude. What are you doing? What are you doing? Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.